the national news. Civilians on the island of Mindanao paid a high price in dozens killed and whispered destruction of homes and property. The Battle of Marawi City that pit the Philippine military against militants allied to the armed group calling itself Islamic State or IS. I'm John Cedric Garsuta for the national news.
I heard the critical condition in Marawi City. We must act immediately.
You're right, Mr. Senator. We must make an action immediately. Any suggestion on how we can recover?
Then how about bicycles and martial law?
Mr. President,
President of the Republic of the Philippines, I hereby declare martial law.
Bawat araw ay bahagi ng kasaysayan. Bawat kwento at pangyayari ay nakakaapekto sa ating buhay at nakakapagpabago ng ating mundo. Pagdating sa paghahatid ng balita, mahalaga sa akin na malaman nyo ang lahat ng panig ng istorya, ang kumpletong impormasyon at ang buong katotohanan. Ako po si Jessica Soho, maglilingkod sa inyo sa State of the Nation.
President of the Republic of the Philippines, I hereby declared martial law in response to the critical crisis in Marawi City to restore order and maintain peace with our citizens by guaranteeing the military the authority they needed to address the threats to our nation's stability.